Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good evening, a good day in the market. Yesterday was an awesome day. We were up about 900 points. Today we're down 300 and something. Was up decent market. The Dow was down, but the other two were holding in there pretty good. The portfolio was looking good until the end of the day, and then had a drop off towards the end of the day. We'll talk about what caused that and just take a look at what's in our portfolio, how they did today, as well as kind of looking at pre-market and see what's going on for tomorrow, and maybe have a game plan for tomorrow and the rest of the week. So let's go ahead and go over to our portfolio now. So here we are. As you can see here, we do have some green, but you look on this side here, we've got even a little bit more green. But you can see the drop-offs on some of these charts here at the end of the day. Kind of like what we had last week. If you remember last week, we had a drop-off, similar drop-off during the week. And that kind of worries me for the next day. But we'll take a look and see what's going on there. But nothing really to talk about a whole lot today. We did sell the rest of Novavax today. Sold it today at $60 a share. You can see here we did close at $53.90, and we're down actually a little bit in the after hours as well. But the volume on that one got down to about 10 million versus the 8 million, or 12 million versus the 10 million, I think it is. But the volume was not anything spectacular today, so the big boys kind of laid off today, so that's good. We want to see that happen for several days in a row as far as the volume back to a normal volume, and just see how it reacts from that point. Okay. Yesterday we did purchase some EXAS at 85.05. You can see here we're at 83.09 today. Had a down day today. It actually had gotten up a little bit today at 85.77, but couldn't hold that and sold off towards the end of the day with the rest of the market. So other ones, we had Cliffs and our U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel was up today all the way up to 808, I think it was, 802. And then our Cliff was up as well. They were doing good, but they did sell off a little bit towards the end of the day, especially the U.S. Steel. But did have a good 802 there on the U.S. Steel, so that was looking good. Airlines hanging in there pretty good today. Had a really good day yesterday for the airlines. Our Southwest Airlines is actually in the green. Was up probably 6% or so today. I did not sell. I really think they've got a ways to run yet, so I'm just going to try to hang in there with that since we don't need a whole lot of cash right now. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at our pre-market, see what's going on there. Let's go ahead and take a look. I want to show you the market today and talk about that a little bit. Yesterday, the market was up like crazy. A couple of things. The market was up because we had the Fed speak. Powell spoke about the economy. Don't sell this economy short, and just had some good things to say Sunday night, and talked about how they were going to support this market, and so that was a plus for the market. And then you had some good turn-up news. You started seeing some of that coming in. And then you had also some vaccine news from Moderna. Moderna turned loose some data that their vaccine, the first testing of the vaccine, went pretty good. But it was kind of vague. And today there was an article written today about there was not enough data to prove their COVID-19 case. And so the market, that's the news that came out towards the end of the day, and the market that's when it sold off. So that was a big part of yesterday's gain was the Moderna news, and so the sell-off was understandable since if that was the news that drove it up, any lack in that news is going to drive it down. So that's what I'm talking about on these markets. It's emotion, it's fear, it's news articles, it's this writer, that writer. A lot of times it has nothing to do with the companies on why they're going up and down. So anyway, that's what happened today. as far as the sell-off goes. But let's jump back over to our pre-market and take a look at that. Pre-market looks like we're up a little bit, got some green, so that's good, and hopefully we'll start out a green day tomorrow. In Asia, we've got a little bit of green going on there on the one that's open. The other two haven't opened yet. And our oil's unchanged. Brent's down a little bit, but today we had a 2% gain. So oil has been doing well. So if you take a look here, we're at 32.50 now versus Brent at 34.50. So that's a whole lot better than a negative 36 that we had about a month ago. So that's a whole lot better. All right. So tomorrow, going to be looking, just keeping our eye on Novavax just to see how it does with normal volume. Hopefully it has some normal volume again tomorrow. Started out really good this week, so Monday's a 900-point gain on a Monday is always good. Got a little wiggle room after that point. Of course, we gave 300 and something of it back today, but hopefully we'll get us a good bounce back tomorrow. But we're kind of just in a trading range here right now. Probably going to stay there for a while until some more of this news comes up. The vaccine's not coming anytime soon, so don't hold your breath on that. It's going to be, at least end of the year or somewhere before we have anything about a vaccine, at least. So I'm not counting on anything to do with that vaccine. I'm counting on the turn up. I'm counting on the unemployment numbers start looking better again, and those kind of things. But don't hold your breath on the vaccine. All right, but we're going to look for bargains as always. If we see something that falls a good bit, if we have a bad day, we're going to be trying to cost average some things if we can. Also going to be trying to look at some new things. Maybe I looked at Sirius Satellite Radio. I've been in that one before. Especially when the market was up, I was trading that in the $6 range and trying to sell it around $7. So it's down 5 something now. So that was a good one. Today I actually had an order in for some AT&T that I did not get filled. I was trying to get it at 29 and it didn't fill. And but I've traded that one before too, around 29, sell it at 32 or so. So we're going to look for those kind of things that we've done in the past. These stocks that I know that I can trust, know a little bit about them. But I hope you have a great rest of your day tomorrow and a great day the rest of the week. We're going to be out of pocket for a while. Going to be back probably maybe Sunday, and hopefully make a video Sunday and get back on here Sunday night. If not, it's probably going to be Tuesday night of next week. So have a great rest of your week, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks again. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button right here. Thanks. Have a good evening. Bye.